First of all, you need to update your Telegram app. Open Google Play Store on your device. Search Telegram on the search bar. From here, you need to update your Telegram app. If it is showing an update, you have to update it. If not, then you need to try out the next method, which is allowing the permissions of Telegram. Open settings and find out the section called apps. Tap on manage apps, and now you need to search Telegram on the search bar. Click on Telegram, and now you need to go to the section called app permission. If you have denied the app permissions, then you need to allow all the app permissions. Once you allow all the app permission on Telegram, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you need to try clearing cache data of Telegram app. Once you clear up the cache file, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you have to change the date and time. To change the date and time, go to settings and search date and time. Now you need to use time which is being provided by your network. If you are using a time which is not being provided by your network, or it is not an accurate time, then it is very obvious to have this issue. After that, you need to restart your phone.
Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.